Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove app is running problem on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the smartphone and open the control center. Now as you can see, this notification has appeared on the screen. One app is active. Just tap on this notification. Now from here, just tap on stop. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on battery. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on the app icon which was running in the background. Now from here, just disable this toggle. Just like that. And once you have done that, just go back and tap on apps. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on special app access. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on auto start. Now from here, just tap on the app icon which was running in the background. Just like that. Now from here, just disable this option, allow auto start. And this is how to remove app is running problem on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.